Those are finished. Very good. Good. Those are finished. Very good. Those who haven't finished, copy it down fast. Rohita, finish. Hashni, very good, ma.
Hey, finish. Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Yeah, good, Rohita. Following the line,
Yes,
if red line, I think it should touch the red line.
ma'am. Red line touch cheyaledu. Eraser.
And then T also, it should touch the red line.
T touches, ma'am. You F only she don't
T
touch.
touches, ava.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. F, then correct F.
F only mistake.
Hmm.
My eraser.
Yeah, then win. Danvin, have you followed the line, Danvin? Erase your T and write properly, Danvin.
Yeah, okay,
Erase
ma'am.
your T and write properly. Straight.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. The T correctable. Crossable.
Ma'am, yes, every time he's writing like this only, ma'am. He's not able to
Sorry.
write within that blue line.
That he has to have that control. Continuous writing with 4-line notebook will only give them that control.
Ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am.
mostly, yes, he's struggling to write within that two lines, ma'am.
That
Curve
only
is
all
not.
these days he has been we are giving practice in writing blankly in some other notebook, right? In slate and all. But now he
No,
has to
ma'am,
get
like
into practice.
capital letters, he's writing big. No, that he's
Yeah,
getting.
yeah.
Like small s, he's not able to write.
That's it. Regularly you give him four alphabets to write in 4 line. A,
Okay,
B,
ma'am.
C, D, then take the next set of 4 words, 4 letters.
Okay,
Then
ma'am.
only he'll get that control. Otherwise, you will not get that control.
Okay,
Then
ma'am.
next year in senior KG, they'll find it very difficult to write cursive letters.
Okay,
Once
ma'am.
when we have control in writing these letters only, printed letters, you will get the practice to write all those cursive letters.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
now itself give them practice. Whenever
Okay,
you
ma'am.
get time, let them write in 4-line notebook. Don't make them write the alphabet at any cost in a plain notebook. They should only write
Okay,
in
ma'am.
4-line notebook.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
Rohita.
Rohita. Rohita, good ma, Rohita. Very good. Yeah, Danvin, good ma. Nitila, very good. Good, Nitila.
Okay, ma'am.
Monday you'll be having a test, dictation test on this, okay? So you have to learn all these 8 words. Pakka. I will not give you any hint of writing these words. I'll just say am means you have to write the spelling of am. Okay, children? Finish, Shall we start the session? Satvika, Dikshan, finish. Naitek. Finish, finish, Dikshan. Writing, write fast, write fast.
What happened in right?
Yeah. Finish, ma. Naitek, show me how you have written. Have you written following the line?
In that middle line, ma'am.
The middle line you have written. Okay. Good. T and F and all, correct? He has written?
F, he written in middle little bit.
That it should not be like that. From the red line.
Okay, it will come down. Okay.
Not coming down. It will start from the red line to the blue line.
Oh, red line. Mole നേരെ. ഈ red line നേരെ. F. Red line ഇതിന്റെ മോള്. ഇത്. ഇവിടെ.
Finish, children. Shall we start? Darshika, Satvika, Nukshita. Finish, ma. Finish. Darshika, show me, Darshika. Let me see how you have written. Darshika's mom, has she followed the line? Darshika. Yes, ma, Siddharth. 1 minute. Yeah, that's it. Regularly ask her to write in 4-line notebook, at least four alphabets regularly. Then only they'll get that control. Otherwise, the control will never come. They are in school, they'll be regularly writing in 4-line notebook. Regularly, they'll be having homework also. But now it's not like that, right? So whenever you find time, let them write in 4-line notebook. Give them four alphabets. Draw columns and give them. Let them take their own time, but they should follow the line. Following the line is very important. It's not like numbers that we'll write inside the checks. This is the alphabet, no? We have to follow the line. So you give her practice in that way.
Okay.
Yeah, good ma. Devkrish, little bit closer, Devkrish. Yeah, right. Good. Good ma, Devkrish. Very good. Satvika. Very good, Satvika. But numbers you have written as Satvika. Even more perfectly, Satvika can write.
Okay, ma'am.
Since she is writing very fast, I think she is writing like this. But little bit slowly, if she writes, I think she can write even more clear. Yes or no?
Okay, ma'am.
And Vidyut wrote, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Vidyut. Well done. Good boy. Tarnika, I know you will write perfectly, Tarnika. 1 minute, one more time, you show me what she has written. One more time. Show me, Tarnika. Tarnika, show me your notebook. Why Tarnika numbers? Where should you write, ma? Why Tarnika's mom? You know where to write the numbers, right? It's this side of the margin. Okay, you erase only the numbers and write in the margin alone. Here, ma'am, have no place, so I have written like this. Okay, ma? Erase only the numbers and write in the margin side.
Okay.
Ritvik, why Ritvik is writing in slate? Where is your notebook, Ritvik?
Having, ma'am.
Yes, Ritvik, no, Ritvik will write beautifully, I know. Why don't you give him his notebook? Ritvik's mom, where is his notebook?
Yes, having, ma'am.
Then he didn't write in his notebook, why?
I don't know, ma'am. I came late.
Okay, no problem. Okay, you copy it down later, Ritvik, okay? Yeah, good morning. Good morning, Janavi. Where are you, Janavi? You're with mask and all. I went to temple. Very good. Okay, then you can't write, I think. Okay, you just attend the session alone, okay? Yeah, Karthikeyan, finish, ma. Sorry? I don't know, Sami. Yeah, good, ma, Karthikeyan. Very good. Show me your notebook. I want to see how we have written. Closer. Karthikeyan, this is your handwriting. I can't believe it, Karthikeyan. Is this the way my Karthikeyan will write? No, na? Karthikeyan's handwriting will be very neat. Sorry?
Fast. I told him to write fast.
Yeah,
So that's
no
why
need. Write slowly, no issues in that. One more time, you have to write it, Karthikeyan, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, I think everyone has finished. Very good, Karthikeyan. Good boy. Okay, children, hope you have finished. Diction, very nice diction. Good handwriting and very good, clear. F, I think it's wrong, diction. Erase your F and write it properly. Come on. Diction's mom, guide him, no? F will not be like that. Curve F, that too, it should start from the red line till the blue line.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Children, all of you finished, no? Stop writing. Who is going to say Kidsy anthem today? Who is going to say? Yesterday, who said? Karthikeyan will say, yeah? Ready, Karthikeyan, will you say? Yeah, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Wait, ma, Karthikeyan. Let everyone stand up. Wait, I'm waiting for them. Close your eyes, children. No cheating. Yeah. Come on, Karthikeyan. Kidsy anthem. Very good, Karthikeyan. Thank you so much, Karthikeyan. Good morning, everyone.
Vanilla ma'am.
Loud good morning. Yes, Devkrish one.
No.
Yeah, very good morning. Very good morning, children. Yes, very good morning. Yes, Devkrish mom, tell me.
No, ma'am. He wants to say Kitsi anthem, so he started crying.
I asked you, no, children. I heard only Kartikeyan's voice. What is there in crying? Monday, definitely
Monday
Devkrish is
will say.
going to
Monday
say.
will say. Okay.
Chuchu, for this Devkrish will cry. Vanilla ma'am likes crying face.
No, no.
You want Vanilla ma'am also to cry?
No.
Shall I also cry?
No.
No? Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no? Shall I cry and show you how your face looks when you are crying?
Monday சொல்லலாம் ஓகேவா இன்னைக்கு
Monday
கார்த்திகேயன் சொல்லிட்டு
definitely
மண்டே
Devkrish is going to say.
டெஃபினட்டா தேவகிருஷ்ண தான் சொல்லுவாங்க
Okay?
மேம் பக்கா
Pakka. Done. Okay?
ஓகே
Monday definitely Devkrish. If I forgot also, you please remind me Devkrish mom. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
So
okay.
definitely we'll do. Okay? Sorry Devkrish, I didn't hear you ma. I heard only Kartikeyan. That's what I called him. Okay? So sorry. So sorry. Okay, children, ready for your warm-up activity?
Okay,
Don't cry for
Ready for it? Yeah, see, he's saying, don't cry, Devkrish. Very good, Siddharth. Dev- Ashni, what Ashni?
warm up activity, Amma.
Warm-up activity, ready? Yeah, okay, all of you stand up. Stand up. Warm-up activity. Today is action words, okay? Ready for the action words? Ready? Yes, first, jumping. Jump. Jump all of you. I want all of you to do the activity. Otherwise, from Monday onwards, I will not at all give you the activity. Yeah, very good. Jump all of you. Jump higher. That's all you can jump. Are you all very tired? Jump all of you. Yeah, very good. And now, all of you, run. Jogging. How will you jog, children? Jogging. Jogging. How will you jog? Be in your place and jog. Yeah. Okay. Next is sleeping. How will you sleep? How will you sleep? Hashini, lie down. Sleep just show like this, children. No need to lie down on the floor. Sleeping. And then yawning. Let me see how you yawn. Yawning. Nobody knows how to yawn. How will you yawn, children? Hashini. Yawning. Oh, clicking also. Yawning. Okay. Brushing. Brushing. Brush. Very good. And then combing. Comb your hair. How will you comb your hair, Naitik? Why Naitik is looking here and there? Yes, Naitik, I told you to comb, not to put makeup for yourself. Huh? How will you comb in your forehead? Here, no. Comb. Okay. Next is eating. Eating. Eat. Okay. And then what shall we do? Finish, no? Eating finish. Combing finish. And then how will you wash your hands? How will you wash your hands with sanitizer? How will you wash your hands with hand wash? How will you wash your hands? How will you wash your hands? Let me see. Everyone show me. Just like this, that's all. That's all. The germs will go away. How will you wash, children? Like this, then next step, what you should do? Have to wash on the upper part, yes? And then in between the fingers. And then here. This hand also. And then nails. Okay? Here you will rub your nails like this. And this hand you will rub your nails like this. And then finally you have to wash it with water. Not just doing like this and going away. It's wrong, children. Okay? Perfectly you have to do. Okay? Very good, children. And then months of the year, who is going to say? Devkrish, will you say month?
month of the year. Say the
Months of the year. Devkrish, will you say? Devkrish, if you are crying, then how will I ask you, Devkrish? Okay, come on, Siddharth. January.
June, July,
October, November, and finally December. Very good. Very good. Very good. And now get ready for the attendance. Come on. Come on, all of you. Darshika. Darshika.
My name is Jessica. Studying junior KG.
Okay, very good. Dev Krish.
My name is David.
Very good, Dev Krish. Danvin.
My name is Danisha. I'm in junior KG and 4 years old.
Very good. Dikshan. Dikshan.
My name is Kitchen.
Hmm.
I'm in junior KG.
Very good, Dikshan. Parnaz. Absent. Hashni.
My name is Ashley. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Janavi.
I'm Kissy girl.
Very good, Janavi.
Janavi.
Very good, Janavi. Kartikeyan. Kavyani. Kavyani. Naitek. Naitek. Naitek.
Pare. Pare.
My name is Naiti. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Naitek. Pranita. Sorry, Nukshita. Nukshita.
My name is Nuchita.
Yes, yes. Very good, Nukshita. Pranita. Pranita. Pranita.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell your attendance.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Pranita. I am junior KG, 4 years old.
Very good, Pranita. Rohita.
My name is Soita Forrest. I am junior KG.
Very good, Rohita. Ritvik. Ritvik.
My name is Ritvik. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Very good, ma. Nitila. Nitila. Louder, Nitila. Speak loudly, ma.
My name is Nidila. I study junior KG.
Okay. Very good, Nitila. Satvika. Satvika, speak. Very good, Siddharth. Siddharth. If you are playing with your toy, no talk time today regarding the transport. Come on. Attendance, ma. Yes, Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG.
Vishank. Very good, Vishank.
Say, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Shusha.
I'm studying.
Where are you, Vishank? I'm not able to see you.
Ma'am.
Yeah, only your forehead is visible, Kanna.
Connected on phone.
Okay. Vidyut.
Good morning, ma'am.
Vidyut.
Morning, ma'am. I am
Vidyut.
Hmm.
studying in junior KG.
Very good, Vidyut. Zadi. Zadi.
I'm Vivan, ma'am.
Oh, sorry. Vivan.
My name is Vivan. I'm studying junior KG. My for you. I am KG.
Very good, Zadi. Zadi. Lakshana. Lakshana.
Good morning, ma'am. Sir.
குட் மார்னிங் மேம் நேம் சொல்லு மார்னிங் ஜெயலட்சுமி நேம் சொல்லு குட் மார்னிங் மேம் மை நேம் இஸ் லக்ஷ்மி
My name is Lakshana.
சொல்லு மை நேம் இஸ் லக்ஷனா ஐ am studying
Very good. Well done, Lakshana. Okay, sit down, all of you. Yesterday I taught you a new rhyme. Yes or no, children? Yes. What rhymes we learned yesterday? What rhymes we learned? About what we learned? About what vehicle we learned? Rocket. Yes, shall we sing that rhyme? Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon, it will race to all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket high. Yes, one more time. Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon, it will race to all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket high. Yes, all of you bring your rhymes book, children. Come on, bring your rhymes book and show me that rocket. Come on, let me see that rocket. Rocket rhymes. Yeah, very good, Tarnika. Can you see? Who goes in a rocket? Who is that person going in the rocket? Astronaut. Goes the astronaut. Yes? Goes the astronaut in his rocket. Hi. Yes? Who goes in a rocket? Come on. Who goes? Astronaut. Very good then. All of you saw the rocket, huh? Now come on, sing along with ma'am. Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon, it will race to all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket. Hi. Yes, now show. Children, all of you take that page. Take a crayon in your hand. And you're going to circle all the vowels. You know vowels, how many we have? How many vowels we have?
5 bubbles.
Yeah, all those 5 vowels you are going to circle. What is that? Come on, first tell me what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Come on, find out all the vowels in that book and circle. A, E, I, O, U. Only these 5 vowels you will circle. You will not circle any consonant. Parents, you have to check whether they are circling only the vowel. Yes, Vishank, circling, Take a crayon, color pencil, sketch pen, whatever you need, you take it. And now you circle only the vowel. Vidyut, why fighting with your mama, va? Rohita.
Yes, ma'am.
Fighting means come to school.
Ravita doing
Okay, it seems, ma'am.
Yeah, good, good. Do it on your own.
first
Children, I'm watching everyone.
schedule.
Everyone are doing it on your own. Very good, children.
First
Dev Krish. Yeah, that's what I saw. Good. Do it on your own, children.
Next
A,
green.
E, I, O, U. Come on. You have to keep your finger and track it. Track that word, track that letter and you circle.
Mare.
Small.
Mare.
Come on. Circle it fast. Satvika, finish, Very fast she is circling. Satvika's mom, is she circling correctly?
Yeah, ma'am. She's doing.
Tuck, she is circling. That's what I'm asking whether she is
First,
correctly.
she is identifying all A words.
Okay. Oh, one by one, A,
One by
E, I,
one,
O,
yeah.
U,
Yeah.
Very good, Satvika. Good. Nitek. Found out a Nitek?
I'm finding.
Oh. Who sneezed now? Go wash your hands, whoever it is. Vivan, very good, Vivan. Hashini asking help. No,
No, ma'am.
she's doing on her own. Talking
yes,
with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dikshan, Danvin. Darshika, how are you doing? Come on, unmute and show me. Darshika. Darshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you circling, Darshika? Finish, Tarnika. Very good girl.
Yes,
Check
ma'am.
Tarnika's mom. Check whether she has done correctly.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. If you miss out one or two letters, it's okay, children.
Ma'am.
Danvin also finished. Very good, Danvin. Good. Correctly done, Danvin's mom?
Yeah, checking, ma'am, checking.
Yeah. Joseph finished. Give a high five to your mom. Come on. Tarnika, Danvin, Dev Krish. 2, T-O. Oh, you forgot. Only A you have circled. A-E-I-O-U. Like how Satvika is doing, first you finish off A, then E, then I, O, next U, finally U. You only one you will have, I think, astronaut. Oh, Rohita is tracking, see?
Yes, ma'am. She one word. She.
That's a one word, she is picking it up.
She.
Good, Ma, Rohita.
Okay.
Good.
She ending like.
Good. Pranita, finish, Have you circled all the vowels, Ma?
Finished, ma'am.
Yeah, good, Pranita.
Sorry.
A-E-I-O-U.
You. Wow, no, already finished chesa. First you finish chesa.
Red color.
You will do it first. You. ఇక్కడ నుంచి దగ్గర ఫస్ట్ నుంచి యు
Nitila, are you able to identify, Nitila? Whatever you know, you circle it, Nitila.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Whatever is
In
easy
one
for
line,
you.
circle only A.
Yeah.
Another like O on the mat.
Sleeping, Nitila. You'll also get sleepy, Nitila. Next. Dikshan, finish, Ma? Siddharth?
Vishak is doing it.
Vishank is doing. Very good. Vishank, what are the vowels? First tell me, Vishank.
Say the vowels. What are the vowels?
What are the 5 vowels, Vishank? First you tell me that. What are the 5 vowels, Vishank? Tell me, Ma.
Say.
Please tell me, no? Ma'am forgot everything. What are the 5 vowels?
You finish by the good girl.
A-E, not
Say
say
from the
boy.
beginning. Say properly. A.
A. 1 minute, children. Everyone mute yourself. 1 minute. Yeah, come on, Vishank. Tell me. A. E.
Say properly, Vishak. He said.
Vishank will not teach ma'am, Vishank.
Say.
Vishank.
Come here. Come closer.
Vishank, help me, no? Help Vanilla ma'am, no? Why are you not at all helping Vanilla ma'am? Come on, help Vanilla ma'am to find out the vowel. What are the vowels? Come on, tell me. 5 vowels we have. A you said. Next one, what is the next vowel? What is the next vowel?
Say fast.
A, B, B is a vowel.
No.
Then tell me. I don't know, no? You have to say. A, next, what is the next vowel?
Letters.
E.
E.
Sound. I.
I.
U.
O.
U.
U.
You. Very good. Thank you, Vishank. Now I'll also finish that activity, okay?
ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు.
Come on, do it fast. Everyone did it, huh? Yes, ma.
ఏయి
Mm.
ఇది అయ్యి
Okay. Okay. One more thing. First, you write the vowel on that book, and then you find out if you feel it very difficult. Write all those 5 vowels above, and then you find out if you are feeling it difficult.
మా చెప్పు మా.
Apart from the vowels, other letters are what, ma? Rohita?
రైట్ వెనెల మ్యామ్ అడుగుతున్నాను.
5 letters we have vowels, and rest of the 21 letters, what are they?
మిగతా లెటర్స్ ఏంటి? అనదర్ లెటర్స్.
What are that? Vowels and consonants. Very good. Vowels and consonants. Good, ma. Very good.
మమ్మల్ని గుర్తుందా?
Danvin. 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 5 letters we have vowels, and rest of the 21 letters are.
Finish ma'am கேக்கல. Bubbles.
We have 2 categories. One is vowel, and the next one is. What is the next category? One is vowel. Next one.
சொல்லு.
Very good. Consonant. Very good. Think finished. Darshika, finish. Children, I think everyone finished. Yes? Ashni, Siddharth, Nukshita. Darshika over.
சொல்லு.
Finished? Finished, Siddharth?
Finish.
Very good. Then you have to tell me, no, that you have finished.
Ma'am, finish.
Yes, ma. Nitik, finished all the letters you have circled? How many U is there? Find out and tell me, Nitik. How many U is there? Huh? How many U is there? How many U you have circled there in that book?
Finish.
Very good, Ashley. How many U is there? Come on, find out, children. Find out and tell me. A, E, I, O, U, no? How many U is there?
என்ன?
1, 2, 3.
3, 1.
ஏய்,
I think there will be 2. 2, yes. Up, UP, up. There you have 1 U, and then astronaut you will have 1 U. Yes or no? So 2 U will be there. Nightic still counting, Nightic. Okay, children, keep your books aside. Now come on, take your worksheet.
Ma'am, Vidyut wants to show you.
Very nice, Vidyut. Here he is able to follow the line, Vidyut,
Yes,
naughty boy. When I ask you to write in notebook, you are not writing, following the line.
No, ma'am,
And
only
here-
S he has problem, ma'am.
Okay, yes, alone.
Other
Okay.
letters is okay.
Okay. Very good, Vidyut. High five.
I say go.
High five, ma. Good boy. When I ask him to come to school, he is reacting like this,
Look, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
D93, very bad. D93 empty.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Vishank.
Yeah, Vishank. Hey, Vishank, when did you stick it, Vishank? Did you send it in the group, ma?
No, ma'am. We forgot. So
Today
thought
you
of
definitely
showing
send it, okay?
Yeah. Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, on Monday I'll make a collage of it and I'll show everyone.
Sure, ma'am. Thanks.
Yeah, send it. Very nice, Vishank. Very beautiful. Thank you, Vishank. Yeah, come on, children, take your worksheet. D93 empty. Very good. Nukshita, I saw, ma. I saw your book. You have done correctly only. Very good. Take your worksheet. Number 65 and 66 we are going to write today. Nukshita is going to count with ma'am today. Okay, Nukshita? Ready? Nukshita is ready. Come on, Vishank. Vishank has become very, very good boy nowadays. Come on. Shall we count, Nukshita? Took your book? Okay, come on, start. Group of tens, okay? Before that we did Sorry, before that we didn't write date, no? We'll write the date also. Okay. What is the date today, children? Vishank, what is 20, Vishank?
What is 20?
What is 20? 20. Why we are writing 220 here? 20, 11, again 20.
20 is date.
20, 120 is the date and the other 20 is the year, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Come on, Nukshita, we'll start counting. Come on, Kanna. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, very good. 60, 61,
63.
63, 64, 65, 65, 65. Very good, Nukshita. Good girl. Okay, next who is going to count with ma'am? It's going to be Dev Krish. Bricks. We are going to count the bricks. Dev Krish is ready.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, yeah.
Come on, Dev Krish. 10.
Yeah. 10. Oh, 65 upon 66.
10. 50. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. Last one. After 65. Okay, I'm waiting. I am waiting. Come on.
66, ma'am. Last one.
Okay, 66. One more time you will count, 61 from 61.
Yeah, start 61.
Okay, wait. One more time, come on. Again, I'll strike out, okay, for you. 61. Louder. 61.
65. Yeah, no, 66. 66.
66. What is 66, Madhav Krish? 66. Come on, write fast, children. We have to talk about the toy also, right? Come on, write fast, everyone. Danvin finish. Very good, Danvin. Okay, next will be having. Okay, next worksheet. It's D94LT. Finish, Vivan. Wonderful, Vivan. Good boy. Take this worksheet. D94 LT. Here you are having two colors, children, brown and grey. You are going to match the pictures alone that is related to the color. Brown you are going to match and grey, what are the pictures here you are going to match. Come on, do it fast. Who is going to help me out in this worksheet? Who is going to help Vanilla Ma'am in this? No one wants to help me, Okay, leave it. I myself will do. I am angry on everyone. What color is this first, Ma? Tell me what color is this? Brown. Brown. Okay, for brown, we are going to match shirt. Shall we match the shirt? Yes or no? Shall we match the shirt? No, then what I should match? Horse. Okay, then donut. Okay, then pencil. Shall I match the elephant? No, then what color I should match the elephant? Gray. Okay, this is color gray. Gray color elephant and gray color shirt. Okay, finished? Okay, now those who finished, keep your books aside. Take your toys. Take the vehicle toy which you brought. And this week talk time will be continued next week, Monday and Friday. Those who didn't talk on Monday will be talking next week and Friday also. Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat, ma'am? Sorry,
Monday's talk time. This week, Monday, we have planned for talk time. 3 children, no? That children will talk on next Monday.
Okay, fine.
And Fridays, those who have planned for Friday, they will talk on next Friday. That's it.
Okay, fine.
Yes, who is ready? Who has finished now? Ritvik, finish. Come on, talk about your toy. Take your toy.
My toy is living color.
What is the name of the toy first?
Oh yes. This is the final.
Louder.
This is the final. Without the fire. It's used for emergencies and it's related fireworks and
That's all, That's all, fire engine. Then you should say thank you, no? Oh my God. Hey, one more time. Hey, very nice toy, Ritvik. Wonderful toy. Did you say thank you to your mom? She only bought you, no? Did you say thank you to your mom? Okay, you went away to play. Okay, Ritvik. Next, who is ready? Danvin. Come on, Danvin.
Start.
Good morning. I am Danvin. Start. I am going to talk about Tripper truck. Tripper truck is a land transport. Tripper truck is a dump truck. It is used for construction purpose. Thank you.
Very good and clear, Danvin. Well done. High five to your mom. Very good. Okay, next is Hashni. Ready? Come on, Hashni.
My name is Hashini. I am going to talk about car. Car is here.
Hey, very brilliant. You don't have toy, so you brought a cutout of car which we used in that activity, no?
No,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? It's okay. I was just kidding. Very good idea only, but.
Car is a land transport vehicle. There are many types of car. Car is a four-wheeler. Car is very useful for human. It can move very fast.
Very fast. Okay. That's it,
It is a owl time also. Thank you.
Thank you. Very good, Hashni. Well done, Hashni. And your car is also very nice. Okay, now next is Siddharth. Come on, Siddharth.
This is good morning, friends. This is airplane. This is air transport. I'm going US.
It flies.
Sky.
It flies.
Fly in the sky.
Okay.
People. People. Travel. Huh? Travel for distance. Next. அப்புறம் நீதான் சொல்லி கொடுத்தாதான் நான் சொல்லுவேன்.
You Siddharth, you didn't learn clearly, நீ சொல்லி கொடுத்தாதானே சொல்லுவேன். Okay, Siddharth, very good and so sweet of you, Siddharth. Next, who is ready, ma? Next, who is ready? Tarnika. Hey, very nice, Tarnika. Pink color car. Okay, Tarnika, next Nitik, okay? Okay, come on, start, Tarnika. Car. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanika. I am going to talk about car. Car is a land transport. It has 4 wheels. And then the name of car is automobile. It can from some place to other. One other. Thank you.
Very good, ma. One place to another. Very good, very good. Okay, thank you so much, Tarnika's mom. Okay, next is Nitik. Nitik,
Yes, ma'am.
what are you going to talk about?
Good morning. My name is Naitik. I am going to talk about JCB. JCB. This is my JCB. JCB land transport. JCB is very strong. JCB take sand, rocks
Like this.
like this.
JCB is used for
JCB used for
construction work.
construction work. Thank you.
Thank you so much for telling so much about JCP. Thank you so much, Nitik. Next is Dikshan. Dikshan, are you ready, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on, Dikshan.
Good morning, friends. My name is Chen. I talk about twin. This is very big. Many people can travel. This is very fast. Land transport. Thank you.
Very good, Makana. Very good, Dikshan. Thank you so much, Dikshan. Okay, next who is ready? Next who is ready? Vivan. Very good, Vivan. Come on, Vivan.
Tell them.
I am Vivan.
I talk about cars. I doing land transport. I doing
Kami.
land transport. I doing land transport.
Vivan. Vivan. From the beginning, Vivan. It's not so clear, Vivan. Show me your toy first. Show me your toy. I didn't see your toy itself. Come on, show me your toy. Show me your toy.
Show the toys
The
first.
toys come here. Come here. Red come here. Come here.
Show it first.
Lift it up and show me, no? I didn't see it properly.
Come here.
Show it first.
Land transport.
Like this. First show.
Mommy, don't
Hey, you got a car, Very good, Vivan.
Talk about it, later we will play. See, it's a red in color.
not.
Mm.
No, it's mine.
It's yours.
No, it's mine. Give it to me. Okay, next who is ready? Very good, Vivan. You already have a car in your dress itself. Then what is the use of buying? Very good, Vivan. And next who is going to talk? Karthikeyan. Vidyut. Come on, Vidyut.
Correct. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Today,
Today,
today I'm going to talk about cards. Pare.
today I'm
Show
going
me the
to
toy
talk
first. Lift
about
it up
cards.
and show me. Lift it up and show your toy like this. Let everyone see your toy, no? Very good. Okay,
It
good.
transforms into Robo map.
Oh, like transformer toy, Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now speak.
Pare. Today I'm going to talk about cards. Pare.
Today I'm going to talk about cars.
Car is a
Car at the land transport.
It is a
It's a four-wheeler.
It's a four-wheeler. We use petrol,
Run,
cars.
car.
I like
red
cars.
cars. Thank you.
Well done. Welcome. Very good, Vidyut. Okay, next is Karthikeyan. Ready?
Thank you.
Karthikeyan ready? Come on, Karthikeyan. Next, Darshika, be ready.
Good morning, ma'am.
Lift your toy and show me, ma.
Good morning, Bill.
Lift your toy first and show it to your friends. Yeah, good.
Demolish building. Land transport. Demolish building. Construct building. Each. Yellow color, yellow and black.
Yeah, ma, I can hear, ma, say. I'm hearing you, Kana, say.
Like, ma'am, our other screen has opened, ma'am, so you thought it has closed. So
No, I am seeing you only. No need to worry. Mud from ground. Very good. Very good, and thank you so much, Karthikeyan. Next is Darshika. Come on. Show me a toy, Darshika. Okay, very good. Speak about your toy. Everyone is having JCP, yeah? Come on.
My name is Jessica. Going to talk about JCB. JCB for land transport. U to for consist of road and buildings.
Say, ma. That's all, huh? That's it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Darshika. Next, Vishank is ready. Vishank.
Ma'am, Vishank will speak on Monday, ma'am.
Okay. Next is... Okay, Mokshit, sorry. Pranita.
Good, yes, ma'am.
Are you ready, Pranita?
Good morning, ma'am. I am talking about lorry. Lorry is land transport. Lorry is medical. Lorry is very beautifully.
Very quickly. What? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pranita. Nukshita. Nukshita. Ready?
Yes.
Come on, Nukshita.
My name is Nuchita.
Where is your toy first? Where is your toy? Oh, you're sitting in your bike. Okay, everyone got a toy, but you are sitting on a real bike. Okay, little bit more. Come back, no? You can focus on the camera. I'll take a picture. Right, yeah. Let me see. I'm not able to see Nukshita. Nukshita along with the bike. Good.
Okay.
Yeah. Now come on, Nukshita.
Plant purpose. This is spike. Yes. Yes. Make filters. Nutrient. Need to wear.
Yes. What is this?
That's all, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. Okay, thank you so much, Nukshita. Very good idea also. And then next is Satvika, ready? Satvika is ready?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, Kana. Satvika. Satvika. Satvika is not ready.
Satvika is in restroom, ma'am. She'll talk
Okay,
on Monday.
okay. Monday, va?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, did I miss out anyone? Everybody spoke about your toy? Did I miss out
Devkrish
anyone?
will speak on Monday, ma'am.
Devkrish also on Monday, va?
Yes, ma'am.
Why, Devkrish, you have a bike with you?
I
Yes, no
think
small
he's
bike.
driving aeroplane. I think he's not in mood today. Little
Is
bit
that
cranky.
so? Is it so? Achucho. Devkrish, whatever you know, you say, ma. I'm hearing.
Okay.
Come on. Devkrish knows many things about aeroplane. He's going to talk. Come on, Devkrish. Come on, speak about it.
What is it?
Achucho. For
Little bit
everything, he
cranky
is
now.
very sensitive. Okay, very good. Well, okay, no problem, ma. Devkrish. If you want to talk now, you talk, or else we'll talk on Monday. No problem in that. Yes?
We'll speak on
Okay,
Monday, ma'am. No issues.
Okay, thank you so much, children. I saw all your toys. It was really awesome. And what you spoke was also really great. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye, children.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.